Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use YouTube in China. So let's start. As you know, YouTube has been blocked in China from 2019. No, there was. Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use YouTube in China. So let's start. As you know, YouTube has been blocked in China since 2009. So you can use it there. And how you can start watching YouTube if you are in China? Well, the only way to access to YouTube in China is downloading a VPN. A VPN will help you to change your country and you can start watching the YouTube there. Of course, you need a Trust VPN. There are VPNs that are free and there are VPNs that have a cost. Of course, the VPNs that have a cost are a little bit more expensive and of course are more useful than the free ones. So if you want to start watching the videos there, I recommend you to get a VPN. In this case, I recommend you to use the NordVPN. NordVPN will help you to connect to a country, whatever country that you prefer. In this case, there is the principal page here. Let's go to the left side. You will find the menu. Just click on NordVPN. Then just scroll down and let's go to manual setup here. And here on manual setup, just select the country that you prefer connect. In this case, let's try with United States. Here you will find a base of VPN that you can connect, as you can see here. Select the one that you prefer here. And when you select it, just go to get a setup configuration here. And then you will connect automatically to the VPN and you can start using this VPN, and now your country will be United States. That is how it works, guys. So that is how we can do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.